Why are so many people obsessed with finding ideas to earn passive income online? After doing hundreds of hours of research, it's become clear that people are obsessed with it. And the truth is, it's not really about the money, because money is relative. What might be considered a good income in India, for example, might not be such a great income in the United States. So the main reason why people get into this is because they want to stop trading their time for money and get their freedom back. Because in a standard 9 to 5, you're either getting paid a crummy hourly rate, or if you're on salary, you end up having to work for a boss which keeps making you work longer hours that you never get paid for. So what's the answer? In this video, I'm going to go over my top 5 passive income ideas for this year. Plus, if you stay to the end, I'm going to give you a bonus idea that you can start today for little or no money. So passive income idea number 1 is digital assets or digital products or services. Now, this is simply something that you might already know about, that you're an expert for, and that you can then put online and sell at a profit. Now, the good thing is you don't have to actually design these things yourself. You could sell it via an affiliate program that someone else has actually gone and created it, and you just take a commission. These commissions can range from 50% all the way up to 100% on the front end. However, most people are experts in something, and if you ever typed that something into Google, you will find people want to know about it. So you could spend some time creating a digital product and then selling it online. Number 2, one of my personal favorites. Now, a long time ago, I used to run my own local business, and one of the things that we did was we actually used Facebook to generate leads, which then turned into customers, which then made the business money. Now, there are absolutely tons of other businesses out there too busy running their business and not actually marketing their business. So you could actually become the middleman here and provide leads by using simple 2-page websites that send people from Facebook to become a lead for that business. And some businesses, especially if they're high end, let's say for example they're a solar company, they might pay you up to $100 per lead. So you can see, if you do the maths quite easily, once the system's set up, you don't actually have to put any input into it, and you're earning money every single month. Now, there's no limit to how many companies that you could possibly help by doing this process. Number 3, let's talk about YouTube. Yes, we're on YouTube right now. And if you grow your account up to a certain level, or your channel, should I say, you can actually start getting paid Google AdSense money on it. Now, the limits for this is you do need to have over 4,000 hours of watch time within 365 days, or the last 365 days, and also 1,000 subscribers. Now, I personally started this channel in 2009, so it's been around for a long time, and it only got monetized just a couple of weeks ago. But already now I'm showing income coming in. And as I'm creating these videos, just like this one, I know that potentially this could be an asset which then pays me going on and on and on and on. Pretty sure YouTube's going to be around forever, so I'm looking forward to seeing that income grow over time. Another one is stocks and shares. Yes, I know it might sound really boring, but if you've studied how the stock market works and how it's grown over the last 100 years, on average, it's gone up by 10% every single year. Now, you add the compound interest aspect to it, then you could potentially see your money doubling every 7 years. Yes, I know this is a long-term strategy. And also as well, if you get into some of those stocks, they pay dividends, which is nice because that is, again, passive income. And if I was to start out again right now, I'd be looking at low-cost income funds. Again, going for that 10% increase each year. You could even throw a bit of extra cash in there and do it on a repeat each month or even each week, because then you get what we call dollar cost averaging. So it doesn't matter if the price has gone up a little bit or the price has gone down a little bit, you're still making that investment, and that will then grow over time as well. Adding to that compounding effect, it's a great way to get passive income for a few years to come. Something else that gets talked around is subletting Airbnbs. Now, you might be able to go and find a rental property out there, and if you talk to the landlord nicely, you can rent it from them, give them how much they want per month, but then sublet it via Airbnb. And some of the examples that I've seen is you might have a property, let's say it's $2,000 per month, but by using Airbnb and subletting, you could actually get around $4,500 per month, and that's just off one property, seeing you clear $2,500 per month. Now, in reality, it might be really difficult to find these properties and convince a landlord to let you do this, but as long as you've got a written contract, there shouldn't be a problem. And of course, you're going to need to make sure that you're doing the maintenance on the side of things, as far as like getting places prepped and cleaned every time someone's been around. So there is a bit of work involved, but if you have a team or if you have some people that you can actually call on to do this, then yes, that will form part of your passive income fund. Last but not least, it's affiliate marketing. Yes, this whole channel is all about passive income and affiliate marketing, and you can go and look on any of the videos to find out more. As promised, I did want to drop these two little ideas for you on there as well. I've created a video for one of them, which you can see here, which is talking about how you can passively earn income via Etsy selling Canva templates. And you can do this with pretty much any template. People are out there buying it right now. But watch this video to make sure you understand.